If you are promoting Clickbank products, you should know how to get the best results. I'll show you how to promote Clickbank products in 2021 in this video. Clickbank is a global e-commerce marketplace software platform that allows producers of digital information products to sell directly to consumers. It is one of the most popular online marketplaces, with over 4,000 merchants and over 40,000 digital products to promote and earn a commission on. Every product has its niche, so learning how to promote Clickbank products properly is important because not everyone will be interested in your ads. A look at what the future holds for Clickbank affiliates to see if you should jump on board reveals Clickbank is one of the world's largest affiliate marketplaces, with over 100 million affiliates and merchants on its platform. Such as an affiliate network, membership websites, e-commerce processing, and payment solutions. Clickbank also provides free certification courses that are worth signing up for. The Clickbank Marketplace, which has over 300,000 products, including physical products, and over 100,000 affiliates, is the world's largest digital product marketplace. And it's no surprise that this industry, as well as the opportunities that come with it, is currently experiencing rapid growth. The future for Clickbank affiliates is bright, and they must learn how to promote products on Clickbank to capitalize on the projected growth. While the future appears to be promising, a look at the challenges reveals Clickbank has experienced rapid growth as a marketplace in recent years. Since 2011, the company has nearly doubled in size every year and shows no signs of slowing down. However, Clickbank is facing some difficulties that will most likely have an impact on the platform's future. I'm going to focus on 3 challenges that Clickbank will face in 2021. The competition from other affiliate networks is the first challenge that Clickbank faces. In terms of the sheer volume of products available for affiliates to promote, Amazon affiliates has surpassed Clickbank. It also offers higher sales commissions, allowing it to offer lower prices than Clickbank for certain items while still making a profit. Second, negative reviews pose a significant challenge for Clickbank affiliates. Many people write negative reviews on Clickbank after purchasing a product and failing to receive the promised results. This is a great way to kill your product's sales. Third, there are a lot of products on Clickbank, and the majority of them are legit. However, there is a chance that you will come across some dubious products. So, how do you distinguish between the good and the bad? Before you buy, I would check to see if they have any customer testimonials or reviews on their sales page. This will assist you in determining whether or not people are actually using it. You can also look it up on the internet to see what other people are saying about it. If you're looking for ways to promote Clickbank products for free, social media marketing can be an effective way to market Clickbank products. The average American spends 35 hours per month on social media, with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube being the most popular platforms. You are advertising to millions of eyes every day by using these platforms to market your product. This is because social media sites are free to use, provide direct access to millions of users who are interested in learning more about your product, and allow you to reach your audience in real time. You should start a Facebook page or a YouTube channel. Consistency is the key to successful social media marketing for Clickbank products. You want people to see your posts on a regular basis so that they remember your product when the time comes to buy it. It is important not only how frequently you post, but also what you post about. Post educational and entertaining content, and you'll have a loyal and interactive audience that will serve as customers and help spread the word about you to their circle of friends and acquaintances. The most effective marketing strategy I recommend for your Clickbank products is email marketing, which is a must in 2021. This is because it is the most cost-effective and efficient method of reaching out to people. Email marketing is 4 times more effective than social media and 6 times more effective than paid advertising, according to research. Your email list will either make or break you. The success of your business is directly proportional to the quality of your email list. The greater your subscriber base, the more likely it is that they will purchase from you in the future. Using lead pages, you can even create an email course and send it to your email subscribers on predetermined dates. Lead pages is an excellent tool for quickly creating landing pages. It doesn't require any coding knowledge, and they have a simple interface that allows you to drag and drop everything. Lead pages is used not only by individuals but also by many Fortune 500 companies to optimize their conversion rates. Lead pages has a simple drag and drop interface that allows you to quickly create high-converting landing pages. So how do you use email marketing effectively? To effectively use email marketing, you will need a mailing list, which is a list of everyone who wants to hear from you. When they sign up, you send them emails with information that they are interested in. They will be added to your mailing list if they provide you with their address. This tactic can be effective in a 7-step process. The first step: create a Clickbank affiliate account. Choose the products you want to promote from the website and save the unique affiliate link you're given for each. The second step: sign up for a dependable and all-inclusive email marketing management platform. Popular services like Mailchimp, Constant Contact, and Pinpoint not only store your valuable mailing list, but also provide simple visual editors for designing attractive HTML emails and tracking results with marketing apps. Step 3. Create a mailing list. Contacts who have expressed a strong desire to join your Clickbank list should be added, and sign-up forms should be included on any websites or blogs you operate. Configure the sign-up forms so that contacts are added, which is a useful tool for ensuring that your recipients are genuine and sincerely interested. The fourth step is to make up the email's text. Begin with an attention-grabbing subject line and follow up with a body text that reminds users why they signed up and describes the Clickbank products you're selling. Rather than jumping right to your marketing copy, include fun or pleasant introduction. Engage recipients with an interesting cooking copy if you're selling cooking ebooks on Clickbank, for example. The fifth step is to create your email. Using a visual editor, create a simple but appealing layout. Avoid using too much color or images, and keep the design focused on your link. If you believe it will make your emails appear more professional, you can include the Clickbank logo, but you should also include images or colors related to the products, such as flowers for online gardening tutorials. Step 6 is sending your email. Examine your layout and text. Test your unique Clickbank link to ensure that recipients can access the site and make a purchase via your affiliate link, and send the email to all of your contacts. The seventh step is to maintain a record of your numbers. Calculate important figures such as the percentage of recipients who open your emails, the number of people who click on your link. So what are the best email marketing tools available in 2021? Aside from the steps, you'll need to know what the best email marketing tools for 2021 are. In no particular order, here are the best email tools available in 2021. Number 1. Mailchimp. Mailchimp has been around since 2001 and remains one of the most popular email marketing tools available. They provide free accounts for up to 2,000 subscribers with a monthly email limit of 750, as well as paid accounts starting at $10. Number 2. Aweber. It comes in 2 flavors, Pro and Free. The following is the pricing structure for the Pro plans: hosting and email distribution to a list of up to 500 subscribers. The monthly payment is $19. Subscribers numbered from 501 to 2,500, $29.99 monthly payment. A total of 2,501. To 5,000 subscribers, $49.99 monthly payment. Subscribers in the range of 5,001 to 10,000. The monthly fee is $69.99. The monthly fee ranges from $149.99 for 10,000 to 25,000 subscribers. If your mailing list has more than 25,000 subscribers, you must request a quote from Aweber. Number 3. ActiveCampaign has almost everything you need in an email marketing tool, and their advanced automation is hard to beat. The basic plan costs $15 per month, for up to 500 subscribers. While the Plus plan costs $70 per month and includes pro features like an inbuilt CRM, that is customer relationship management, lead scoring, landing pages, and SMS sending. So how do you find the email marketing software that works for you? Finding an email marketing software that works for you is a critical step in launching a successful email marketing campaign. Your software selection should be guided by your objectives and business model. A large enterprise business, for example, will require a dependable platform that can handle large volumes of customers and subscribers. A small business, on the other hand, will not require anything of the sort because they will not have those kinds of numbers. So go ahead and do what works for you. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more helpful affiliate marketing tips. I'll see you tomorrow on the next informative video. Stay marketing.